guys, welcome back to Valgal 2. Ow! Oh. But anyways, today I'm outside obviously and it's so cold, but y'all know I have to do this, guys, for you. I've been wanting to film outside videos for a long time, but it's just been really bad outside. It's like 40 degrees outside in October, and that's just not what we want. Oh, sorry. It's almost Halloween, and the leaves are rustling. We should do a Halloween video coming soon. Around this time is when good videos start coming, like Christmas videos and stuff. But today, well, actually, before you do anything, go follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. Links in descriptions, or like my things in the description. But today we are going to be one with nature and try eating it. I'm probably going to get poisoned today, but do we really care? No. So, let's get started. Okay, so one thing that I always wanted to try is grass. Y'all know that grass? How could we live without grass? So, here's just going to be a clip of me eating grass. Okay, so I probably got a bunch of bugs in my mouth. Don't eat grass. I remember I used to eat grass when I was little. I was like, okay, so next thing is maybe next normal thing is trees. You know, like piece of grass is still in my mouth, but you know, like it's fall time, so leaves are crunchy. And so yeah, let's gonna try one. So this is my tree, and you see this leaf. Oh my god. So as you can see, that tasted very good. Next, I really don't know what else to eat without getting poisoned, because I know those two things I ate before. But let's think about what, like, birds eat. They eat our garden, but our garden's dead, so, we can eat our garden, so can I just eat my dead garden? Let's go do that! So, as we look in here, there are forks in here. Do you not see this fork? So that means that it's probably really yummy. But I don't really want to eat this, so I'm just gonna take something. I don't know what this is. It was just on these wheat things here, so. Okay, so literally today, not everything is tasting too well. A birdhouse. Maybe the birds left some extra food. So we got a birdhouse, but the trees are kind of in my way. I don't know how I'm going to get around. I don't want to look in there, though, because what if birds live in there? Oh, well. I can't see. I'm not tall enough. You know, it's called short life. But anyway, we're just going around. There are some berries on those bushes. Don't want to get poisoned today. That's our one goal, to not get poisoned, but I'm pretty sure I already did because I'm not feeling too well. So, yes, okay. What if I eat, I'm just gonna think, what about one of those prickly things that you are barefoot in the summer and you're hey, walking around, and then you step on them and then you're crying, one of those. But in reality, I don't really want to become a part of nature, because I don't want to have to eat this junk. Ugh. Maybe I can eat like this grass. Maybe this grass tastes better. Like, you know when like you mow your lawn? That was successful. Okay, ooh, pine trees. Pine trees. Can you eat a pine cone? I'm not sure. But I got a pine needle. Hopefully this doesn't poison me, because I'm not too sure about this. Oh my god. It's like the worst thing I've ever tasted. Okay. That was great. So we have these little, like, I forget what they're called, but we have these little, like, things on our trees. I'm not going to eat one because I've actually eaten one before. They tasted bad, but I'm thinking maybe for you guys, I'm going to eat one. You guys better be freaking happy with me. No, it has a freaking brown spot, but I'm still... I licked it. Is that good enough? No, what? Freak nature. So, now I'm in this really awkward position again. Yeah, I hope this is good enough for you guys. And, oh my god. Now my mouth is full with disgusting tastes, and I haven't even ate dinner yet. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I really hope you guys enjoyed me eating a bunch of gross things. I don't really want to become a one with nature anymore, because one, it's really cold, and two, it's like, it's disgusting to eat. I'd rather just stick to my Mickeys. So, yeah. Maybe I should eat a rock.